So one thing that's really important with growing crops is that we keep good records of what we did and if it worked or not. So we have this notebook that we've had for quite a few years, and in it we have the different crops broken down, and here it shows what we have started for salads this year so far. We've started Mizuna and Tatsoi and Miss America, which are all things that go well in our salads, and that was started February 9th. Last year, in about this time in February 2020, February 20th, we started frise, which is like some people call it endive, and we started a bunch of lettuces, mâché, which is sometimes called corn salad, mustards, orac, arugula, for veggies. So far, this tells what we've started. We've started bok choys, and we've started broccoli, and annual and perennial arugula, and spinach. And then we're going to, we've been planting dill and basil and shiso so far this year. Last year about this time we were planting cilantro and parsley, chives, thyme and lemongrass, tarragon, summer savory, mint. So we write down when we did it, what the crop was, what variety. For example, we have a red shiso and a green shiso. Shiso is kind of an unusual plant. It's an herb that has lots of flavor and is used in Japanese cooking. And we use where we got the seed from. A lot of it's our own seed because we have a little seed company. But we got the thyme from Johnny's, which is a company I like a lot. West Coast seed here. And how old the seed is. This seed, it was 5 years old. This one was 6 years old, 7 years old. So your seed actually lasts longer than you think it does. And then the number of trays, did we put them in soil blocks? Did we put them in little pots? And then any notes. And here's, this one said only 60% germinated. That was maybe old seed. And sometimes we'll write down here, it needs light to germinate, those kinds of things. And so we sometimes we'll go back and say, that just didn't work. So it's important to keep good records.